What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and here we are once again to cover Samsung. And here we have the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Edge. We're going to be performing an unboxing and giving our basic thoughts. So here we are with the packaging. It's clean and simple, creating a futuristic experience. We're going to have an all-white box with Galaxy Book4 Edge branding, as well as an image of the Galaxy Book4 Edge close, showing its super compact form factor. Now, here we have the 14-inch model, but this unit is also available in 16 inches. And although that extra real estate is nice to have, I've been looking for a more compact Windows PC, and this thing should do the job. But the question is, why the Galaxy Book4 Edge? Well, Samsung has a full-fledged ecosystem where everything works very well together. That being said, if you've been following the content for some time now, you know that we have plenty of Samsung devices. For example, the video that you're seeing of me, we are recording that using the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and the top-down video is with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And then we have other devices such as the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. And again, all of these work really well together. In fact, this is, I would say, the best ecosystem on Android. Personally, I can't go to the Apple ecosystem. It's not my kind of flavor. And if you're looking for an alternative to that, that would be almost identical to that, you would look into the Samsung Galaxy ecosystem. In fact, I call this the Apple of Android. Along with this, we're going to have new technology in this PC. So we're going to have a Snapdragon Qualcomm 8CX Gen X 12-core processor, and this promises unparalleled power as well as performance, and I'm just excited to try this out. So back to the unboxing, I previously cut the seal tape underneath, which was on the bottom here as well as the top on the underside of the packaging, and we're going to remove the lid here, and it's going to slide off smoothly, creating a pleasing unboxing. So on the right side, we're going to have our USB-C power adapter. I'm going to pull this out of the box just to display it. So it's got a very clean, sterile look. Again, it is white. Now, I would have liked to see folding prongs here just for better transport, but it should get the job done. Interesting enough, we have on here a label. I don't know if you could see it. It's ingrained into the power adapter, and it says super fast charging. That's really nice to see. But what I also like just in general is seeing a USB-C power supply versus something that's proprietary or a barrel-shaped connector. So this is really nice to see for this PC. And flipping over this power adapter, I don't see anything else that stands out, just some Samsung branding and information. And once again, this is a USB-C power adapter, so we'll set that to the side. And then we're going to have the Galaxy Book4 in this protective sleeve, and we can lift out the unit by pulling up on the tab. And I will say this device is very light. Again, this is the 14-inch unit, and I think it's going to be perfect here, and we're going to pull it out of the sleeve in a moment. But underneath the Galaxy Book4, we're going to have a USB-C to USB-C cable, and again, a highlight here. This isn't proprietary, so you can use this charger for your other devices. Really nice, and it looks like this comes in a really good length. But anyways, I'm going to set this packaging to the side, and we're going to pull the Galaxy Book4 Edge right out of the sleeve here. So I'm going to pull on the tab here, I believe, or maybe we actually should flip over here. And this works like an envelope. We're going to have this portion here that we peel open. And then we can slide the Galaxy Book4 Edge out of the side there. And we can place it on the desk here. Now, there is one interesting thing that I do want to point out here, and that is in the product description, this colorway, it was described as sapphire blue. And I'm not a big fan of blue, But I will say, looking at it in person, it's more of a gray, a silver, and I'm okay with that. So if you're on the edge on deciding about this device because you might not like blue all that much, there's no worry here. Again, this is more of a silver. Now, initially I did demo the 16-inch unit, and I'm trying to open the lid here. And the lid on that one opened really smooth, and that's what I like here. And we're going to get the same experience. So the lid opening here, very, very nice, very, very smooth. It just is a very nice finish. And here we are with the keyboard region. Again, this was advertised as sapphire blue. Hopefully you can tell in the video though, it's more of a silver. And it looks really nice. Also, I want to mention that this is a Copilot Plus PC. Not that that really matters all that much to me. I don't think buying a Windows PC just because it's a Copilot PC is actually a wise idea. If you're just looking for this button here, because a lot of PCs that don't have the button, you can still use Copilot. Just something I want to throw in here. But overall, this is a really nice finish. So just some basic specs. We're going to have the Snapdragon X Elite here, advertised on the keyboard area. We're going to have 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is really nice to see. And we're going to have a 512 SSD, which of course is really good for storing media, music, photos, videos, anything like that. We're going to have plenty of storage here. So that is it for today's video. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.